Hello artists, let's talk about colored pencil. And we're going to talk about value and or making value. And blending. If you are going to use colored pencil, you are expected to blend colors, and I will show you how. It's very similar to oil pastel, but a little bit different. Sharpen one of my pencils here. Okay. All right, so okay. Each color has a different value, and value is the lightness or darkness of a color, and you can use the lightness or darkness of a color. And if I color full strength some colors next to each other, some are going to be lighter and some are going to be darker than the one next to it. And sometimes it depends on what you put next to it, whether it looks lighter or darker. So that's kind of something that you got to think about from time to time. So two more. This is every color from my 12 pack of colored pencils, and except for white. White's in there too, and black. Let's put black. Anyway, white we're not going to see very well on the paper. So black is our darkest. Yellow is the lightest value. And so like red and blue are kind of a medium. Here, purple is kind of a medium value. Brown is dark. Dark green is medium dark. Like light blue would be a medium light. Orange would be a medium light value in general. Medium light. No, I'm going to change my mind. That's light. That's medium light. And I think red orange is kind of a medium. So so each of those has an individual value, and we can take each color and do a range of values or a value scale like we did with the charcoal, if you watched that video, and with graphite, if you watched that video. So if I take my orange and I press very, very lightly, it makes a very pale orange. It's like in my screen, I can barely see it. That's like an 1/8 pressure, about 1/4 pressure, about 1/2 pressure, 3/4 pressure, and approximately full pressure, maybe not quite. Add a little bit more to that. Okay, but we can make different values with each individual color. So one thing you can do is pick, let's write with the color we can see, pick 3 colors and create five values with each color. Okay, that's assignment number 1. Okay, assignment number 2 is going to be blending. And let's see, I'm going to use a pencil and very lightly, don't press hard with your pencil. Your pencil should not be darker and show up over your colored pencil. I'm just going to draw some random shapes, but I'm going to be careful because I don't want them to be too big or too small. Okay, there we go. And this is a small box, maybe about 4 by 6, maybe. I'm going to take some colors and starting light, light pressure, and I'm doing loops or swirls, and that helps make my colored pencil even. We don't have, if I color this way and then I color over it, yeah, it's not a good illustration, but you know, where they overlap, it's often darker. This is nice, pretty even. And I'm going to take another color. Let's use yellow this time. I want you to be able to see the blend. And I'm going to color completely over my red orange. And you can also do rule of threes. Rule of threes does not mean make stripes. Sometimes we do a little bit more of one color in an area, but always there are 3 colors in every area. So I'm going to make part of this more yellow. There's still yellow and red orange over here, but I'm going to do more yellow on this side. I'm going to take my pink, and I'm going to do more pink on this side. There's still yellow over here, but I'm going to concentrate more pink on this side and less pink on this side. But there's still 3 colors everywhere. Okay. And then my color looks nice and solid. I'm going to go back with a little more yellow on this side. Okay. All right, blending color. let's do something different. So even if I don't use three colors, I'm still going to blend. At least two colors about everywhere. You know, I'm going to put some black in this. If you use black, don't press hard. Don't overwhelm the first color. And it's probably a good rule. I decided to use black second after I did the blue. But if you know you're going to do black first, and then go over it with the, with your lighter color. Okay, so very quickly about blending colors. At least, okay, let's see. Draw a small box, like about 3 by 5-ish, and divide it up. At least 10 spaces. Blend colors in every box. Okay, you can do it on, that's part 2. Do both of these on the same paper. Okay. All right, so then photograph and upload to the colored pencil assignment. Alrighty, okay, so happy blending. Do a good job. Thanks for watching. Bye.